What's going on, everybody? Going over the mystery tackle box today, July 2020. List everything that's in there. Obviously, you all know. Tips and tricks mystery tackle box. Check it out. What we got this month: frog fishing 101, little jig fishing, swim jig. Check that out. Fun facts on the back. First, got some hooks, 2 of them. Doesn't say what kind they are. Look like 1/0. Check that out. This is sick. Filthy Frog Guggen Squad. 5/8 ounce frog. Eat me. Nice green color. Should be pretty sick these hot days. Forms its filthiest heavy action rod, spooled with braid, 40 pounds. We got Lifted Jigs SLM Swim Jig, 1/4 ounce, 42 strand skirt. Check that out. Not bad, not bad. Small, but definitely do the trick. Guggen Squad Filthy Frogs Pro Tips. Gear recommended. Where to fish the stuff. Heavy action. 7/8 Guggen Squad. I like the Guggen Squad stuff. Works out pretty well. This I'm pretty excited about. 10,000 fish worm. These things look pretty sick. The action on this stuff is awesome. Not bad. Pretty excited to use that. And some ways to rig it on the back. 6-pack. Lake Forks Trophy Lures. Lures with attitude. And some worms. Texas rig 'em. All kinds of stuff. There's some stuff on the back. Awesome sticker. America, freedom. Yodo Worm 1000 Fish Rigging Guide. Basically the same thing that the Guggen Squad had, but a little bit more in depth. Trailer, how to rig it, use it on that chatterbait. Tells you where, when, how. Horizontal rig for the Texas rig, drop shot, shaky head, whole 9. That's it for this month.